to Sastra Vibes. Today we are going to discuss about the Board of Intermediate Education Andhra Pradesh Migration Certificate. So I will show the process. Every student must have migration certificate because you are traveling from one state to another state for study. So open bae.gov.in website. So bae.ap.gov.in website. So here click on this. So go for students. So click on the migration certificate and enter your hall ticket, date of birth and your email and the captcha, and you click on the get data. So it will show the fees to pay. So you pay the fees. Within 2 to 3 days you will get the migration certificates. Now we will see for Telangana students. Telangana students, search baets.gov.in and click on the first link. So you will redirect to this page. So click on the TGBAE website. So it will redirect to TGBAE website. So Telangana Board of Intermediate Education. So click on the student online services. So here it will show for migration certificate. Enter your hall ticket number and get data and proceed with the payment. So within 2 days you will also get the migration certificate. Apply fast for the migration certificate. If you have any further doubts, comment me. I will definitely reply you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.